Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today? Okay, let's start by saying the day and the date together. Today is Sunday, so today is Sunday, Sunday. Again, Sunday, and the date is 25/1/1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Sunday, Sunday, and the date is 25/1/1442 after Hijrah. And today, inshallah, we are going to take lesson 4 in unit 1. And as we said before, this unit is about It's Nice to Meet You, page number 8 and 9. Please, girls, open your books, page number 8 and 9, and write the day with the date. Open your books, page number 8 and 9, and write the day with the date. Please, write the day with the date, please, girls, on page number 8 and 9. Quickly, please. Write the day with the date in your books on page number 8 and 9. Then I want you to open your notebook. And copy this sentence in the handwriting section in your notebook. I can play football. Please, girls, I want you to copy this sentence in your notebook. I can play football. I can play football. Okay, girls, in your handwriting section, please. Then let's start my lesson by asking you a simple question. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Your answer should start with I go to school. I go to school. Then you go to school by car. Then I go to school by car. You should say by. Okay, girls? I go to school by car. I go to school by bus. Okay, and if you go to school on your foot, you should say I go to school on foot. Okay? How do you go to school? I go to school by car. I go to school by bus. I go to school on foot. Okay, girls? So let's take the phonics today. How can we read a word that has EA or a word that has double E? Okay? Let's see the first word in our lesson today. First of all, what can you see in this picture? I can see meat. Okay, how can we write the word meat? M-E-A-T. M-E-A-T. Meat. M-E-A-T. This word is a noun. It is a noun. Noun. Okay? Meat. M-E-A-T. M-E-A-T. Meat. Okay? Okay, can you make a sentence using the word meat? Of course, I like eating meat. So, do you like eating meat, girls? Yes, I like. So, the first word in our lesson today is meat, M-E-A-T. Okay, here we have, first of all, what can you see? I can see two persons or two women. The main word here is meat. M-double-E-T. M-double-E-T. Okay, what's the difference between the first word and this word? In the first word, we said M-E-A-T. In the second word, M-double-E-T. Okay? M-double-E-T. This word, M-double-E-T, is a verb. It is a verb. As we said, nice to meet you. Okay? M-double-E-T. And the word that we took before, M-E-A-T, and it's a noun. Here, the word meet, M-double-E-T, is a verb. Okay? It's the verb. As we said, nice to meet you. Okay? Now, let's see the third word in our lesson today. What can you see first? I can see a boy reading a book, right? So, the word here is read. R-E-A-D. R-E-A-D. So R-E-A-D, meet as a noun, meet as a verb, and here read as a verb. R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D. Then, do you like reading books, girls? Yes, of course, I like reading books. Okay. What is your favorite book? What's your favorite book? For example, my favorite book is Jane Eyre. So, what is your favorite book? My favorite book is Jane Eyre, for example. Okay? Let's see. The first word is meet as a noun. Second word, meet as a verb. The third word is read as a verb. And word number 4 is cheese. Again, cheese. How can we write the words cheese? S-H-E-E-S-E. Again, S-C-H-C-H-E-E-S-E. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Here, the word cheese with double E, right? C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Then we have the word seal. S-E-A-L. S-E-A-L. This word is with E-A, and of course it's a noun and it's a sea animal, right? Now here, what can you see? I can see a pie. Again, pie. P-I-E. 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 And this word is pine. It's not a tree, it's a pine. Again, pine. P-I-N-E. 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 Pine. Okay, now, so today we took meet as a verb, meet as a noun, read as a verb, cheese, seal, and pine. And also the word pie, right? So, open your books, please, girls. Open your books. Open your books, please, girls. On page number 8 and listen, point and practice.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice. Listen to words with EA and EE. They make the same sound. EA says E, E, and EE says E, E. Let's practice.
Meat, meat,
That's right.
meat, meat.
Good.
Read, read. Cheese, cheese.
Listen and repeat.
Meat, meat. With EA. Meat, meat. EE. With double E. Cheese, cheese. E, E. With double E. Read, read. With EA.
Now read the words with the partner.
Okay, class, write the words, use EA or EE or double E. Okay, girls, number 1, we have seal, S-E-A-L. 2, sleep, S-L-E-E-P. 3, cheap, S-H-E-E-P. 4, peach, P-E-A-C-H. Okay, girls, now we will do this exercise together again in our online life. Okay, girls, now let's do exercise number 3 now.
Exercise 3. Listen, say, and match. Listen to words with I and clever E and words with IE. They make the same sound. I. Let's practice.
Rice, rice.
That's right.
Pine, pine.
Good.
Pie, pie. And tie, tie.
Now listen and match words and pictures.
Rice, rice. Pine, pine. pie, pie, tie, tie.
Now read the words with a partner.
Okay, girls, please now I want you to match the words with the pictures, please. Listen, say, and match now.
Exercise 4. Listen, say, and match. Listen to words with AI and AY. They make the same sound. A. Let's practice.
Rain, rain, train, train.
Good.
Play, play, and day, day.
Now listen and match words and pictures.
Rain, rain. Train, train. Play, play. Day, day.
Okay,
Now read the words with a partner.
we will do this exercise also in the online live, or you can do it now. Here we have challenge time. Listen and circle the answer. Can you ask and answer with a partner? Girls, we will do this exercise together in the online live. Okay, girls? I want you to remind me to do this exercise. Page number 9. Now, please, I want you to open your activity book. I think page number 77. Open your activity book, page number 77, and listen.
Goal 7. I can read and write words with EE, EA. Meet, meet. I blank E, IE. Rice, tie, and AI, AY. Train, play. 1. Listen, unscramble, and write. 1.
Ken is eating cheese. Ken is eating cheese.
2.
He goes to school by train. He goes to school by train.
3.
It is raining today. It is raining today.
4.
Ken is looking at a snail. Ken is looking at a snail.
Okay, now here. Ken is eating cheese. He goes to school by train. It's raining today. And the last one, Ken is looking at a snail. Okay, girls? Now say and complete the words. Number 1, we have rice. 2, pie. 3, play. 4, rain. 5, seal. 6, sheep. 7, meat. And 8, day. Okay, girls? Now listen and read.
Goal 8. I can listen, choose answers, and ask my partner. 1. Listen and read.
Hi, I'm Imad. What's your name? My name's Saeed. How old are you? I'm 12 years old. Where do you live? I live in Najran. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Do you have a smartphone? Yes, I do. I have a new smartphone. Do you like computer games? Yes, I do.
Okay, girls, how can we do this exercise like this? Now write 2 more questions to ask your friend. For example, do you like school? And question number 2, what's your favorite subject? Now, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time.